How to fix the Roblox random crashing and the freezing issues. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix this. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to check out that your Roblox is updated. For that you have to go into your app store or the play store that you are using and search for the Roblox. Now once you are in, you just have to click on it and make sure that your Roblox is updated. And after that you just have to go back and you have to go into your phone settings. Now from here you have to go in the general and click on the iPhone storage. And if you are in the Android you have to go into your app management settings. Now from here you just have to open up the Roblox. Now once you are in here you have to basically clear the cache of your Roblox, and here is also option of the offload app. You just have to offload it. By offloading this, it will free up the storage that is used by the app and keep all of its documents and the data. And after that you just have to go back and you have to go and open up your Roblox. Now here you have to check out that the random crashing and freezing issues is fixed, and if it is still not, what you have to do is simply click on these three dots that is in the bottom right corner, and from here you have to go in the help. Here you just have to scroll down and here is the option of the I am having an issue or want to report a bug. You just have to tap on it. Now from here you have to again scroll down and now you have to go in the Roblox support, and here you have to click on the contact us. Now once you are in, you just have to go in the support form, and here in the support form you have to write that you want to fix the Roblox random crashing, and here you have to basically add your date of birth, and you just have to click on the next and you have to add all of your issue that you are having, and after that you have to wait for the Roblox to respond to your report. So this is the only way that you can fix the Roblox random crashing and the fixing issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.